Unless you have been hiding under a rock for the past few years, you have probably heard about fascia. But what is fascial release? In the rest of this video, I'm going to attempt to demystify the research as it relates to your yoga and your body in everyday life. Hi, I'm Melissa from Yoga with Melissa. I've been offering myofascial release to our members in our membership community using balls and foam rollers since 2013. Each February, we take the whole month to focus right in on our fascia classes. Over the next 4 weeks, I'll be answering your questions about fascial release and yoga here and applying these principles in my yoga classes on my main channel as well. So be sure to subscribe here and to my main channel, Yoga with Melissa, as well. So what is myofascial release? Specifically, what is self-myofascial release using the foam roller and the balls? Myo means muscle, and fascia refers to the network of connective tissues that surrounds and includes your muscle. The fascial tissues get misaligned due to trauma, injury, poor movement patterns, and emotional stress. Many people have been foam rolling and rolling balls on their fascia in an effort to break down adhesions, knots, or scar tissues. Now, if you would like a PDF of my favorite props and how to use them in a 10-week series of videos not available anywhere else on the web, then go to melissawest.com/props, put your email in the box, and I'll send that to you. Our fascia is actually a system of proprioception. Fascia is rich in nerve endings, so it creates a direct pathway for nerve signals to flow to and from the brain, which aids in proprioception, coordination, and our ability to coordinate movements. All that to say that there is some debate in the movement about breaking down of adhesions, scar tissue, and that kind of thing. It is more likely that rolling is creating a neurophysiological response. The myofascial release influences your nervous system, which actually governs the baseline tone of your muscle. Because your fascial system is rich in nerve endings, the gentle pressure on fascia communicates that there is no longer the need for tension in that area. So, in a nutshell, a myofascial release creates a neurological response that gives you the opportunity to create more efficient movement patterns. So let's give this a try now so that you can see how it works. Let's take an area that often experiences pain and restriction in movement, your neck. Your neck is an excellent candidate for poor movement patterns due to head forward patterns on computers and cell phones, injuries from car accidents, and often emotional distress related to the throat chakra and communication. Okay, so let's check this out doing some self-myofascial release. So the first thing we're going to check out is the actual pain, range of motion, ease of movement in our necks. So you're going to and also breath movement. So you're going to inhale, exhale, lower your ear to one shoulder, and just feel, okay, what's the pain level like? What's the tension like there? What's the range of motion? What's the ease of movement? And then inhale, back center. Exhale, lower your other ear over to your other shoulder. Same thing. What's the pain level like there? You might even number it 1 to 10, 1 being the least, 10 being the most. Range of motion. How close does your ear feel to your shoulder? Ease of movement, and all of that. I gotta say, it's pretty bad news in my neck this morning for me. So I'm hoping this is going to work out pretty well for me. So what we're going to do is a little myofascial release just by giving our ears a massage, because the fascia, as I said, it's all connected through the whole body. So when we affect one part, we're affecting the whole. So you're just going to massage the creases of your ears. So just get right into those earlobes and to get into the folds of the ears. And Tim's doing this behind the camera too, which is cool. You'd have to check it out first though, so you can feel the difference. So really get in there, get right into the ears, and also maybe do a little bit in front, and maybe do some circles in around. Use your thumb or a finger and just do some massage circles behind and above the ears. So you get a really good, I'm giving you more than I was going to give you because it feels so good. I want a little bit more. How about this one too? Just open up the space between your fingers. And, this feels so good. A little extra ear massage here today. Okay. Circle with the fingers spread around the ear there. I used to do Thai massage. People love this part of the Thai massage. Little Thai massage here on your ear this morning. Okay. Oh, doesn't that feel better? Okay, we're going to come back to the center. We're just going to take a deep breath. Notice if there's not more breath moving into this part of your body. Then you're going to exhale, lower your ear to your shoulder. Wow, so much more movement, so much more ease of movement, so much more range of motion there. It's incredible. And then we'll come back to the side. That side feels pretty stuck still. So if you'd like to be evened out, shall I even you out? Okay, let's even it out. Let's just do the same thing on the other side. I'm just going to get into those folds there, all the way down to the earlobe, right into the ear. So you can do this anytime. Yeah, if you're watching TV, when you're at your desk, when you're at your computer. And then we did those little circles with our finger or thumb all the way around the ear in the front. All the way around the back. Keep breathing while you do this. Oh, take those deep belly breaths and falling out breaths. Just let go of all the tension. Oh, so good. Okay, and then spread your fingers. This is hard with the mic here. Put the ear on either side of the fingers and just circle that. Oh, that's so great. Loving the myofascial release. Oh, you guys got to give this video a thumbs up if this is feeling good for you. I'm going to go and give my video a thumbs up. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay. Then we're going to come back. We're going to inhale again. Exhale, lower the ear to the shoulder. Wow. It so works. I mean, I know it works, but every time I do it, it's like a miracle again. So there's so much more range of motion, ease of movement. There's less pain. Oh, and I had such a wicked headache this morning too, and that's even starting to go away. So all this good news. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up if it worked for you too, and put "it works" in the comments. And then also be sure to join me on Friday when I'm going to put these principles into action and integrate them into my live restorative class on my main channel. So I'll see you then. Namaste.